So what exactly is an IP address? Well, an IP address is like a home address, but for your device. It helps identify each device in a network so that the data knows where to go. Let's imagine you are sending a letter to a friend. You need their address to make sure the letter gets to the right house, right? In the same way, when you send a message or open a website, your device uses IP address to find where to send or receive data. But we have two types of IP addresses. We have IPv4 address and we have the IPv6 address. IPv4 address, this is the most common type of IP address, while IPv6, this is the new version created because we are running out of IPv4 address. So, why do we need IP addresses and why it is matter? Every time you visit a website, send an email or watch a video, your IP address play a role in making sure the data gets to the right place. Without IP address, the internet simply won't work. Yeah, IP address play a great role.
So this is an example of IPv4 address. And IPv4 is a 32-bit representing dotted decimal format consisting of 4 numbers. These 4 numbers, as you can see, and each number here, it range, for an example, this 192 range from 0 to 255, and this number is being separated by a period. As you can see, every number is being separated by a period, and each decimal here represents 8 bits of IP address. Each number decimal here represents 8 bits. This represents 8 bits. This represents 8 bits. This also represents 8 bits, and this represents 8 bits. If you add all these 8 bits, that's why we'll call it is a 32-bit version representing a 32 bits. So IPv4 address are very unique. When you assign any IP address in a PC, you can't repeat that IP address within that particular network, especially within the same network. So every PC needs to have a unique IP address. This 192.168.1.1 is an example of IPv4 address. As we begin to go deep dive with subnetting, we will subnet this IP address. You will know more about IPv4 address. This is just the basic. Know the clue that it's a 4 decimal number separated by a period, and each decimal here you are seeing is represent 8 bits. This also is an example of IPv6 address. As you can see, IPv6 is 128 bits long, and it has 8 groups, and each groups represents 16 bits. It is being separated by a column. As you can see, IPv6 is being separated with columns. So, and these groups, each group you see range from 0 to 9, A to F. These are just the basic. IPv6 is 128 bits long, and it is being separated by columns. Each group, it have 8 groups. Each group represents 16 bits.
Try to know this concept, and that's it. IP address in a nutshell. In the next video, we will talk about subnetting and why it's important. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out.